Hey Techno Studs, let's put those summarization tools to test. I'm going to show you a problem, a task. Go ahead and complete it. You can pause the video, complete it, and then you can check your answers afterwards. So let's jump in and see how well we do. These are the networks that we're going to summarize. What you can do is you can hit pause on the video, go ahead and summarize these, and then hit play to check your work. At the end of this, I'll actually go through the process, so if you have any questions, then you can get those answered. So go ahead and hit pause and try this out. All right, and there's the answer. Go ahead and pause your video, check out yours, and make sure you got the same thing. All right, let's see how this is done. I can already see that the first two octets are all the same. In addition to that, we have, we're starting at a /20. So the first two octets are fine. So I could just bypass trying to figure out the binary of those and just type out 172.16. And it's going to be something right here. So this is the one that we're trying to figure out. And then .0 is going to be the summary statement here. So then we got to switch these into binary. So we've got a 0, so that would mean that all of these are 0. We've got a 1 in the 16, so if this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, so a 1 right there. And then 24, which is 16 plus 8, so we've got that right there. And then a 28, which would be a 16 plus 8 plus 4 right there. We can see where that line is going to be drawn, which is going to be right here. And so there we have it. So this is going to be 172.16. We see all zeros there, so this will be 0.0. And then slash, and then we're borrowing 3 bits, or we got 3 bits there. So it's going to be a /19. That's going to be 16 here, plus 3 more is 19. So /19. So there's the answer.